Hi everybody, I'm Danish Living. I will make 2 kinds of brioche bread today. Mix sugar and dried yeast with milk first. Rest for around 10 minutes. The rest ingredients needed are shown here. It's better to use a mixer to mix the dough, as we will apply a lot of softened butter in this dough. It's not so easy to mix it by hand. Divide the softened butter in 2 portions. Add 1 portion first, and add the second portion when the first portion is mixed well with the dough. Mix around 10 minutes after adding the second portion of butter. Proof for around 1 hour or to the double in size in a warm place. As I will make 3 kinds of bread, so I divided the dough in 3 portions. I will use 2 doughs in this video, and the third one will be used in my next video. Take 1 part, divide it into 3 small parts. Knead them a bit, and rest for around 10 minutes. Roll out the dough to a thin slice and shape it to a longer strip. In this way to form the other 2 strips. Braid them together as shown here. Put it in a form to have the second proof for 1 hour or to the double in size. For the second bread, we just need 8 small round doughs. Put them in a form to have the second proof. For the glazing, you can glaze the dough with a mixture of one yolk and a bit of water. But you don't have to glaze them, as this bread contains a lot of butter. The smell of the bread is so fresh, with strong butter fragrance. It's greatly soft and fluffy when touching on them and eating them. I love them so much. I'm Danish Living. See you in my next video.